everyone. Welcome back to Easy English with MrB.
And Anna. Hi, friends. It's so nice to see you again. How are you today?
Before we start learning English together, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.
Yes. When you like and subscribe, you help our small English community grow, and you help yourself keep learning English every week.
Exactly. And today's episode is about one of my favorite days of the week.
Let me guess. Sunday?
Yes, Sunday, the relaxing day.
I love Sundays too. It's a day to rest, to eat, to watch movies, and to prepare for the week ahead.
So today we'll talk about our Sundays, what we do, how we feel, and how to talk about all that in simple, natural English.
Let's begin.
On Sunday morning, I usually wake up late, not too late, maybe around 8 or 9 a.m.
Oh, that's nice. I also wake up late on Sundays. No alarm clock.
Exactly. No alarm, no rush, just peace and quiet.
Do you say, I get up late or I wake up late?
Good question. Both are okay. Wake up means your eyes open. You stop sleeping. Get up means you leave the bed.
Oh, I see. So first I wake up, then I get up.
Perfect.
Yeah. Listeners, can you repeat after us? I wake up late on Sundays. I get up at 9 a.m.
Great job. You're doing awesome already.
After I get up, I open my window and take a deep breath. I love the morning air on Sundays.
Oh, that sounds peaceful. I usually make my bed first.
You make your bed? That's good discipline.
Yes, it helps me feel organized. Then I go to the bathroom, brush my teeth, and wash my face.
I do the same, and after that, I like to listen to music while I get ready.
What kind of music do you listen to?
Usually something soft, maybe acoustic or piano music.
Nice. I sometimes listen to podcasts or short news.
Wow, productive Sunday morning, MrB.
Not always. Sometimes I just lie on the bed for 30 minutes doing nothing.
That's okay. It's Sunday.
Exactly.
So, what do you have for breakfast on Sundays?
I usually cook something special. Maybe eggs, toast, and coffee?
That sounds delicious. I love pancakes on Sundays.
Ah, pancakes. Do you make them yourself?
Yes, sometimes. I use flour, eggs, milk, and sugar. Simple and sweet.
That's a nice Sunday breakfast.
Listeners, how about you? What do you eat for breakfast on Sunday?
Say it out loud. Practice with us. I have blank for breakfast.
Good job. Practicing out loud really helps your English speaking.
After breakfast, I usually relax. Maybe I watch YouTube or read a book.
Same here. Sometimes I stay in bed and scroll on my phone.
Me too. I think everyone does that on Sunday.
Yes, it's our lazy morning.
But relaxing is important. You can say, I relax on Sunday morning. Or, I take it easy on Sundays.
Oh, that's a nice phrase. Take it easy. It means don't work too hard, right?
Exactly.
Let's repeat it together, listeners. I take it easy on Sundays. I relax at home.
Perfect.
Many people also go to church on Sunday mornings.
Yes, some people go to pray, meet friends, or listen to peaceful music.
That's true. I sometimes go with my family, but sometimes I just stay at home and have quiet time.
Same here. It depends on the week.
You can say, I go to church every Sunday, or I stay at home and relax on Sunday.
Good examples. Both are simple and natural English.
And if you don't go to church, you can say, I enjoy a peaceful morning.
Exactly. Sundays are all about peace. Now let's talk about lunch.
Yes, lunch on Sundays feels special.
Totally. I often cook something nice or go out with family.
Oh, where do you go?
Sometimes we go to a small restaurant near my house.
That's nice. I like to eat at home. I cook rice, vegetables, and soup.
Homemade food, the best kind.
Right, and Sunday lunch is slow and relaxing.
You can say, I have lunch with my family, or I go out for lunch.
Let's practice. Repeat after us. I have lunch with my family on Sunday. I go out for lunch with friends.
Well done.
After lunch, what do you usually do?
Sometimes I take a nap.
The Sunday nap. So true.
Yes, just 20 or 30 minutes, perfect for recharging.
After my nap, I like to go outside. Maybe a short walk or a bike ride.
That's great. I sometimes go shopping or clean my room.
Ah, yes, Sunday cleaning.
You can say, I clean the house, or I do the laundry.
Let's repeat together. I do the laundry on Sunday. I clean my room in the afternoon. Pause.
Nice job.
Sunday is also family day for many people.
Yes, it's a good time to visit parents, grandparents, or friends.
I usually call my mom on Sunday. We talk about the week.
That's sweet. I often go to my sister's house. We eat snacks and watch TV together.
You can say, I spend time with my family on Sunday. Or, I visit my friends in the afternoon.
Let's practice, everyone. I spend time with my family. I visit my friends on weekends.
Very good. Now let's talk about the evening. What do you do before Monday?
I prepare for work. I check my schedule, pack my bag, and plan my clothes.
Wow, organized.
I try to do that too.
And I also feel a little sad, Sunday night feeling.
Yes, that's real. You can say, I feel a little tired or lazy on Sunday night.
But it's also a good time to relax and reflect.
Exactly. You can say, I get ready for the new week, or I prepare for Monday.
Let's say it together. I prepare for the new week on Sunday. I pack my bag for work.
Great work, everyone.
Before bed, I like to read or watch a short movie.
Nice. I usually brush my teeth, wash my face, and drink some water.
Then you sleep early?
I try to. Sometimes I go to bed at 10, sometimes midnight.
That's not early.
Yeah, I'm working on it.
Let's review some night phrases. I take a shower. I brush my teeth. I go to bed. I sleep at 10 o'clock.
Good job repeating.
Sundays are special. It's not just a day off. It's a day to take care of yourself.
That's true. It's time to rest your body and mind, spend time with people you love, and get ready for a new week.
And remember, learning English is just like your Sunday routine. Take it step by step. Don't rush. Enjoy the process.
Beautifully said, Anna.
Thank you. And to our listeners, if you enjoyed today's episode, please like, comment, and subscribe.
Yes, tell us in the comments. What do you usually do on Sunday?
We'd love to hear your answers.
Thank you for listening to Easy English with MrB and Anna.
See you next time and have a relaxing Sunday. Bye-bye.